It'll just be like a fun day, and I'll definitely take you guys with me, and you'll see how much Bella has grown over these last 2 years. Like, she's such a little girl. It's crazy. And she's currently potty training right now. Like, she's a little toddler. So, anywho, I'm gonna eat while she's sleeping, kind of get some things done, and I will see you guys later. Bella! Ooh, are those your new chairs? You like them? Nice, Bella.
No, she's good. No, she's good.
You already looked at whipped cream.
Whoa. Dada, look. You want your cupcake?
Yes.
You want to sit in your chair?
Yeah, because she's going to make it rest.
You gonna sit in your high chair?
Here, come here. Come
Okay.
here, come here.
That's it.
Okay.
Put your bib on. Hey, let me take mine.
Let me move this food.
Yay, birthday.
It looks like she almost ate a well-balanced meal, but she didn't.
Happy birthday to you.
You ready?
We're gonna sing to Bella.
You ready?
Let's sing to Bella. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bella. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Oh.
Ooh, Bella, wow. That's a nice cupcake. You can eat it.
Why?
Ooh, eat it, Bella. Sprinkles?
I know.
Are you just gonna eat those individual pieces of sprinkle? There's a whole cupcake with sprinkles.
Let's see if I take the paper off so she doesn't eat the paper.
Take a bite, Bella. Take a big bite of the cupcake.
You bite? Was it good? No?
No, she's very particular.
Okay, you want to put it down? Okay. One and fork. I can't believe it's funny.
She's like, I don't know what that is. I think that's a cherry.
I forgot to turn it off. Let you figure it out.
Okay, Bella. Ooh, nice.
That was
Ooh,
nice,
cherry. You like the cherry?
You should send some to Tari in a second. We have a moment here.
I'm about to be there for 30 minutes.
She don't know if she like the cherry.
Yeah. What about the cupcake?
Don't like. Where is the cake in that?
She likes the sprinkles.
I didn't see the cake. Whoa! Woo! I know your dad don't give you that stuff, so we have to.
No.
Now she's potty trained, she get whatever she wants.
Yeah, it's her birthday. She can have it.
Yeah.
Okay, Bella, say thank you, Auntie.
So,
Did you hear her? She
these
said
the
thank
same?
you.
They taste
Alright, so it's the next day after Bella's birthday. I didn't show you her opening her presents because she sneaked in and opened them in the bag without us. I want to show you what I got her. This is a buckle board from Amazon. It was like 20 bucks. If you have a toddler, you might have them trying to constantly buckle like their high chair seat or seat belt, whatever. So, and it has colors, so she's, you know, working on her colors and then working on unbuckling them. She can unbuckle them but not buckle, so she's working on that. So yeah, my parents are here. I just got my hair done, y'all, so I wanted to show that to you. So I've been trying to go a little darker, so I'm leaving the top like dark brown and then just toning the highlighted part. And now I'm about to do a workout. There's Bella back there. So today is Thursday. Bella went to her 2-year doctor appointment, right, Bella? Yeah, say hi.
Hi.
So she did pretty decent. She didn't cry. She was not really having it with the doctor though. She was definitely swiping away the doctor every time she tried to check her ear or her mouth or whatever. But she didn't do too bad until the end. She didn't have to get any immunizations, but she got a flu shot, and that's when it was like, ugh. We had to keep her occupied with YouTube and Cheetos. So she's actually like right in the middle, like average height. You know, I think like her height was a little off because like she wasn't standing properly on the real big girl measuring thing with the weight. That's the first time they really did that. Her weight's average though. I think she's pretty much average except her head is so big. They didn't tell us the percentile though. So yeah, it was pretty easy. And they didn't give her a sticker. They usually give stickers, maybe because of COVID.
They were a book.
They gave her a book though. So today's Thursday, tomorrow is Friday. We're gonna go to Burlington. That's like my parents' favorite store, and maybe get her like maybe a tricycle, I think, or a toy or something for her birthday, because that's what they wanted to get her. But they are from Florida, they didn't want to bring it with them, so we're just gonna buy it here. And then we also need to get some sand for her sandbox for her birthday party and get that all set up. So I'll try to get that on video tomorrow, and then we'll see, we'll definitely get the setup of the birthday. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I ordered this Filipino dessert platter from a local Atlanta Filipino who sells them for Bella's birthday party. But I think we're just gonna go ahead and eat it now. So that's ube, pandesal, and ensaymada. Bella, what's that in your hand? Hi. Is that a starfish? What color is the starfish? What color? It's the next left, Dad. Bella, what color is your starfish?
Starfish.
What color? You don't know what color it is? She doesn't want to participate. So we just went to Burlington and did a little shopping. I got Bella some shoes, headbands, and I bought me some workout clothes. The only clothes I buy during quarantine are workout clothes because there's no point. And now we're going to Lowe's to get some sand for her sandbox for her party. And hopefully Bella will behave. She ran amok in Burlington. I had to snatch her out and take her outside. So I just got these to kind of keep her occupied in the car. Hey guys, so it is Sunday, Bella's birthday party. I got my mama shark shirt on. We're currently prepping the outside, and I'll take you outside with me. Getting ready, setting up all the PlayStations and stuff like that. So let me show you what we're working with right now. So we're in our backyard. We got our tiki torches, hopefully help with bugs. Adrian, my aunt, setting up. So we have that, and an inflatable slide, and some different PlayStations, a little picnic table. The food is going to be in that little tent. So just something simple, but really fun for the kids. So I'll take you when everything is done. Blowing up. Okay, status, we're blowing up this slide. We're setting up this little gazebo here. Everything is almost set up except for the food and drinks. But let me just show you everything really quickly again. This is Bella's little playground thingy, which she already had, so the other kids will like it though. My aunt brought this little thing. It's like a little ball pit station. Then we have a little cornhole right here. We have our water table. We have to fill that up with the water. Over here we have a little picnic table, and we just have coloring books, baby shark coloring books and stickers. And then we have our little camping chair set out. And this is like where we'll do our little Zoom call, because most of the people are going to be on Zoom because of COVID. We have a very small, limited group. So inside here, oh, that's her initial. It's cute. So this is her little tent. Doo-doo, baby shark. We're gonna have drinks in here, some of her food. This is my little toddler station, so I have fruit snacks, chips and things that kids like. I'm gonna put blueberries, strawberries, and grapes, and then we'll finish putting up. My mom cooked Filipino food, pancit noodles, egg rolls. Those will go there. And then we have 2 punches that will go here, an alcoholic and a regular punch. So we start setting up like maybe 2 o'clock. Why am I already winded and like I'm over it? I'm just not an outside girl, but with COVID it's just safest to be outside, and that's why we kind of spread things apart, and luckily it fit in the yard. So I'm about to wake Bella up, get her ready, and then the party begins in like 15 minutes, but the Zoom call begins in 45. So I'll take you with me. I'm not even gonna do my makeup and hair, y'all. It's too hot for that. Ooh, Bella, look! Who's that? Come on, Bella. Look, Bella!
Hi, big girl. Hi, birthday girl. Hi. She made her grand entrance.
Bella, it's your birthday party. Yay! Get it, get it, get it. Go, Bella.
Baby's gonna slide down the rail.
Okay, little stand in your car. Are you driving a car? Are you driving a car? Nice. That's Zara. You guys having fun playing in the sand? No, Bella. No.
Okay, I just told you guys not
Oh, no.
Okay.
Bella, don't throw it in the face. See, these two are the same. They're the same.
Okay.
Fear nothing.
No throwing.
Yes, I
No throwing sand. In the bucket. You just put it in the
But
bucket.
there's no timer in here. Oh, there it goes. Record right there.
Yes, good job. Zara, you want to put it in the bucket too?
Yeah.
In the bucket. Yeah, put it in the bucket.
There you go.
Good. Yay. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Bella. Happy birthday to you.
She blew the cake down.
Yeah. Okay. If you guys want to stay on, we're gonna open.
That's what you gave her.
We knew that was gonna happen.
Who's that from? Who's this one from?
It's from Stanley.
Stan, thank you, Stan. Baby shark. Ooh, what is that, Zara? Is that a cup? Thank you, Zara. Look, is that a cup? Oh, is that toothbrush?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Good. That should help.
Brush her teeth.
That was a great place to be.
Little stand.
Zara's gonna have that. Who's this one from? Oh, Adrienne. That one's from Adrienne.
Zara is killing this tissue paper. Right?
I got the job. It's
Oh,
Bella's.
no.
Sorry, it's Bella's.
Thank you, Zara. Well, she likes that.
She likes it. That's all. I think it's like song. And I think it plays
School
the
bus.
song.
Thank you for the school bus, Adrienne. Oh, there's a card in here.
Look.
What's in here, too? Look.
It's for me. It's not for you.
And then there's a card from Adrienne. Look, it's a giraffe.
Oh, well, no.
From Auntie Adrienne.
Okay, card.
Here's, is it I don't know if this is from maybe Carter. I don't know. Bella.
Yay.
Bella, look. What's this?
I feel like we need to donate all the rest of our toys and yeah, swap them out. Oh, another baby. She got that same baby.
Look at that.
That's for the baby.
She did. It's a different toy.
Is that from your Carter? Who's that from Carter? It's a little cute brown baby like Bella. Looks like Bella.
That's for mommy.
Oh, well, it's from you automatically.
Carter said that's for mommy.
Okay, this one's from Zara. This one's from Zara. Yay. Want to open it, Zara? Here.
He's like, I was not.
Bella, here, open it. Like this.
Mama,
Like this.
No.
Bella's. It's Bella's present.
Wow.
Oh,
She got a puzzle.
Okay, let's Bella open it. Okay,
Oh my goodness, Bella, look. Whoa. That's your first mermaid. Thank you, Bella. You got all mermaid stuff. Okay,
Let Bella see it.
I think this one's from Lola and Lolo.
Yay.
Can you open it? Open. Thank you. What? Another baby shark? No.
Well, she
What
likes
is
it.
it? Let's show everybody what it is.
It was easy.
Ooh.
Yeah, exactly.
Ooh.
I
You
do
like
that.
it, Bella? You like it? Okay, this is the last one. This is for Mommy.
I thought I had a mean face. That is a face. That's a face.
Ooh, what is it? Look, Bella. You like it, Zara?
Oh, wow.
This is Bella's nightgown from Mama and Daddy.
Is that Carter singing Baby Shark?
Thank you, Carter. Okay, I think that's it.
Is that
Okay, the splash pad is a success. Yay! Yay! Too much. The water slide was too much. So this, $15 on Amazon, y'all. Bella, Bella, are you having fun? Hi, Zara. Bella, are you okay? Bella, are you okay? Your little face. She doesn't like when water's in her face. Hi. Whoa. So it's Monday, Labor Day. Say hi, Bella.
Hi, Bella.
Say hi, Ariana. Good job. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
So it's Monday, the day after the party. We all were exhausted yesterday. But I think it was a success. The kids had a really good time. They literally had a ball. All three of them. And we were just relaxing. We had a good time too. So cleanup was really easy. And then it's good because it's Labor Day, so we don't have to work or go to school. But yeah, I just wanted to end the vlog. Thanks for coming on Bella's second birthday party. I'll do a 2-year-old update soon. She's so grown, it's so crazy. But yeah, I'm glad that you guys were able to come along, and we will see you guys on the next one. Ciao, Bellas.